So how was the certification?
Yeah, certification was gone good for me. The thing is that I have failed one time in the certification because the thing is that I'm totally having not a bit of knowledge about the coding questions. At that time, I have also faced the difficulty in the first web development exam because it was totally new for me. And the thing is that I've given the MCQs and the coding round for the first attempt only, and I have got the good marks in that situation. But the sudden situation is that I'm not able to submit my projects and in the given time. So due to that thing, I have got failed in the first attempt. But after my first attempt, when I have joined for the second attempt, in that second attempt, the thing is that I have faced difficulties also there because it was the new thing for me at that time also because we are not getting the repeated question. We are all time we are getting the some new questions so that we can learn some new things. So there also I have faced a situation where I have got stuck in some questions. But I know that if I have faced in the first situation, I have faced the same questions. Same repeatedly the questions were changed, but the level of the questions are same. I know that I have faced the same level question, so I can do it very easily. And in the second attempt, I have completed my project also, and I have completed my coding questions, and I have got cleared with my certification with 75, I think 76 or 80%.
Okay, great. So, Vaibhav, now this is a very like common question that happens among students at Eduda program. Like if they are facing a difficulty in a certification, then they'll say ki certification is very difficult. So, Vaibhav, what will you tell them?
No, if we practice it regularly, then it would not be a difficult task to clear the certification. If we practices daily and study at the same time the same topic if we are studying the same topic at the particular day, then it would be more easier for us to clear the certification at the first
Okay.
attempt only.
Okay. And like suppose who has given the certification has failed, let's say first time. Any tip that you will like to give them so that they can like study better?
The thing is that I have also failed for the first time, and after failing for the first time, I also came into my mind that I'm not able to going to clear this certification. But the situation is that I think that no, if even if I am not able to clear this certification in second attempt, I would clear it in third attempt, I would clear it in fourth attempt. But I want to clear the certification, and I don't want to give up for the certification.
Okay.
So for doing this, I have learned the same difficulty level of the question which I have got in the first attempt. And after learning these questions, I have came to my second attempt, and in the second attempt, I have got the same difficulty level of questions and I have cleared all that questions.
Okay, great. So that was the program journey. Now we are moving little bit towards the placement. Most important,
Yeah.
everyone is excited ki job, we want to get job, we want to get placed. So how was your placement journey like?
My placement journey was gone very fine. Actually, after clearing my certification exam, I've got added to the certified team of our certified teams of Microsoft team, where I'm getting more opportunities of the placements. And it was the first time when I've seen the placement portal. At that time, in the placement portal, I've seen that there are 2 to 3 jobs, but that jobs are not familiar to me. I am not fulfilling their criteria. So at that time, it was more curiosity for me to know that when I am getting an opportunity to apply for the jobs, and when I am getting to came across the job, how the difficulties level. So at that time, I have connected to the placement team. So they have told me that now you have got certified, so you should keep patience. You will get some better opportunities. So after clearing my certifications, apart from that, 2 or 3 days after, I got an opportunity to apply for the jobs.
Okay. And were you also part of the PRM module?
Yeah, I'm the part of the first PRM module.
So how was that experience like?
Yeah, that was a great experience, and the thing is that this PRM modules helped me a lot to overcome this hard time of the failures. After joining the placement portal, I'm continuously applying for the more and more jobs. Till now, I have applied nearly about 30 jobs, and apart from that 30 jobs, there are the 10 jobs where I have not got shortlisted, and there are the 5 to 6 jobs where I have got the coding rejected, and there are the 4 jobs where I have got rejected in the final round.
Okay. What happens in this PRM module?
The PRM module is all about the placement readiness module. In this, we are getting knowledge about how to face the each and every situation and each and every level of the interview. In this PRM module, we have been taught that how to face the group discussion, how to face the HR interviews, and how to face the technical interviews, telephonic interviews, and how to face the apti. In the PRM, they are setting the papers similar questions as the companies are setting, so that we can get more knowledge to know how the difficulty level of the questions are there.
So, like, did you find it was useful?
Yeah, it was more useful. There is the separate portal for the placement. In that placement portal, when the placement teams are adding the new jobs, it can be seen there, and through that portal only we can apply for the jobs.